'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end.
Pues ala. Adiós, Boston.
Goodbye, Boston. Decid adiós.
No me van a llorar.
Bye bye Boston.
Bye bye, Boston. So sad. Bye, Boston. Goodbye, Boston. Bye bye, hotel that we slept so many nights in. We're gonna miss you, Boston. Here, only the girls because Dad abandoned us again,
Yes.
right, Alex?
Yes.
Always abandoning his girls. Woman rule.
Now we're in Rhode Island, in Providence. We're just doing a little stop in the car, grab some coffee. Yeah, now we're going to go towards Brooklyn, but we're going through all of the coast, trying to see the sea. And we're very sad because we leave tomorrow, but let's enjoy our last full day here in the US. So this is Yale University, the old campus.
Venga, aparca, salimos.
Yeah, you have to study here.
Yeah. Which one?
Which money who? That's the good question. Which money who?
With your money. Un día nos estarás tú guiando por aquí. ¿Te parece?
I'm getting close to the side where I can see what's behind. Oh, the shroud of
No, no, es un video, es un video. Es un video.
Poneros ahora de ahí.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help.
Now we're just walking and seeing all the views. Kitty and I. And we're really enjoying it, and it's really sad. And we're just saying goodbye to New York and the US, basically. Oh, Alexa, do you want to say goodbye to New York? Goodbye, New York. We'll come back. She really loved it. And I love city. Love city. We'll come back maybe when it's colder. Yes. Right. Yes.
This is so hard.
Hazlo contra la mesa. Hazlo contra la mesa. Y no, el pico no.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna.
Claro, porque es el museo del metro.
What the heck?
What the heck?
Let's go and buy a ticket for the metro then. Hello, ma'am.
Good morning.
Could I have a ticket, please?
One way,
Yes, please.
single.
Single. Thank you.
150.
150. Here you go.
Here.
Where are you going? We are going to Manhattan. Ta-da! Wait. Wait. Y luego, ya podemos pasar. Mira, Sean Connery.
¿De cuándo?
Esto ya cuando no quería que fuésemos cómodos.
¿De cuándo?
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break.
We are very sad because we are leaving, right, Mom? So sad.
Very, very sad.
Very, very sad.
Muy quickly ha pasado esto, ¿eh?
Muy quickly, very quickly. We got all of our stuff. So sad. We are going.
I swear, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, so this is apparently a double espresso, and it costs $8.50. This is the most expensive double espresso I've ever had.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. USA.
I'm going to come back.
We are now on the airplane, and we are going home to Belgium.
We're going to spend the night here and arrive there around 8 a.m.
9.
So we'll see if we have jet lag. But yeah, right now we're just mourning.
So sad. It was an amazing trip, and
Thanks to who?
thanks to Mom
And who planned it?
and Grandma
Who planned it?
and you. But yeah, so now we're just gonna sleep and watch My Melody. So what's happening is there is no AC on the plane, and we're still here stuck like for like more than 30 minutes.
We're all dying.
We're all boiling. Everyone is with
They gave out some
water,
now.
but it's still so freaking hot.
¿Verdad? Venga, otra noche.
Another night.
¿Dónde queréis?
Another night in New York?
Yeah, look plane is not moving and they aren't, like, they're not explaining anything to us. And it's horrible. It's very, very hot. Thank you for the input, Alexa. Yes. It's so freaking hot.
Biyahe na to.
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Now. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when I'm tipsy. Let's say I think about you once or twice. Let's say I want you to want me. Maybe someday you feel the way I do. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in